The shipment from West Place just came in. I can't wait to see what everything looks like. I love the fact that their logo is on the box. Oh, these are cute. Those are so great. And West Place is on the inside, so I know that I'm supporting them when I'm shopping on their online store. I love these. Ooh. Diane! These are gonna be so great for the beach. Ooh. Wow. So even if I don't have an animal on my shoe, I'm still supporting West Place. How cute are these? And they were designed by someone at West Place. Oh my goodness. Bobbert the alpaca. How perfect is that? Oh, I can't wait to wear these. And I can't wait to see what else I'm going to buy next time I go on